Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to make ice cream at home, and this is a mango ice cream. So first of all, we're going to have a mango. You put in a container like I'm doing. You can blend it to remain with the juice only, but me, I wanted it like this. Another thing you're going to use is a whipped cream. You're going to add on the container with the mango, the fresh mango, and you will also add sugar and fresh milk. Now just go ahead and mix everything together. Take your powdered milk and you also add into the mixture. Now grab your electric hand mixer and start mixing. We are mixing this until everything becomes very soft and you can't see lumps in the mixture. Then after that you go ahead and grab your cling film. I don't know what it's called. This thing, you're going to use it to cover the mixture in the container. From up, you just spread it on the container to cover the mixture. You cover with your lid, and then you put the mixture in the freezer. You are going to leave this in the freezer for 3 hours, and then after 3 hours you remove it and whisk again with your hand mixer. You mix until it's softer and bubbly and creamy. Then you grab again your tin. You put this time around, you don't put it up on the container, but immediately on you lay it on the mixture directly. Then you cover the lid. You take the mixture again after mixing with the hand mixer. You put in the freezer, and you're going to wait for like 8 hours. After 8 hours, I'm now taking it out and removing the paper. It's going to come out hard, still hard, not able to scoop, but you're going to wait for some time for it to cool down a bit so that you can scoop with your spoon. So guys, this is the final thing, and it came out so yummy, it's so sweet. I love it. This is my first time making ice cream at home, and it's delicious. It's so good. It tastes good. I can't wait to try with another flavor. Yeah. So I think next time I'm going to try another flavor and let us see how it comes out. If you are going to try this recipe, let me know, and also if this recipe helped you, let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and for the new viewers, please subscribe to my channel for more and many other videos. Thank you so much for those who have subscribed. Thank you, I appreciate. So until next time, see you guys, and let's enjoy our ice cream together. Bye.